My name is Maya Huber, and I'm from Louisville Collegiate School. So at my school, we have 4 cornerstones: honor, responsibility, respect, and compassion. These are all very important. So why do you think compassion is the most important?
I think those are the people, you see, consider honor, just honor. I think sometimes, you see, when we have lack of compassion, lack of sense of concern of other human brothers, sisters, we develop strong sort of barrier, we and they. And then concept of violence is developed. War means mobilized violence, and in some cases legalized violence. So the people who sort of kill thousands of people, sometimes we call hero and great honor. Honor is good. So that, I don't think positive. So honor. Again, responsibility. I think those soldiers, those sort of marshals, field marshals, I think they really fulfilled their responsibility to defeat the enemy. I think what a scientist who made nuclear weapon, nuclear bomb. I remember. Oh yes, like that. Yeah. I think his own sort of knowledge is wonderful, but then used for destruction. So responsibility, again related with some other thing. Respect also. Just to respect or admire those billionaires, I don't think something something necessarily good. You yourself and try to become billionaire. What use? So therefore now, honor, responsibility, respect, whether these become positive or negative, depend on compassion. So compassion is more important.